Hey GCG crew, make sure you stay tuned for the end of today's episode to see the winners for this month announced and find out how you can win too. It's time for Extreme Golf Cart Makeover right now on GCGTV. Welcome to Extreme Golf Cart Makeover. I appreciate you showing up. These videos are in Spanish when you're not watching. If you're joining us for the first time, you've picked one of my favorite days. We'll be tearing down the old rooftop, the dirty windshield, the body panels and seat cushions that look like they may have seen combat action, getting the G29 ready for a full complement of color-matched upgrades from the Double Take line of custom kits available at Golf Cart Garage. If you're considering upgrades from one basic piece to a full overhaul like we're performing, we can make it easy for you to choose your options and colors. We've already chosen a full body kit, lights, seating, and some surprises for upcoming episodes, and today we're removing everything that might remind us of the former golf course life this Yamaha drive once lived. What's wrong with a golf course life? Stick with us and stay tuned. You never know what we'll do next. Maybe reveal the secret cure to male pattern baldness, or install a new steering wheel. Seriously though, throughout the series, we'll also try to share some quick tips that we learn along the way. In our previous episode, we tested height and speed increase with a lift kit and tires. Today, we're learning that OEM bolts sometimes strip or cross-thread, and body panel rivets can break as frequently as a certain fast food chain's ice cream machines. So be prepared for some extra trips to the hardware store if you're going full-blown golf cart makeover like we are. And consider a body panel removal kit to help preserve fasteners and get into tight spaces. Also, it can't hurt to get a bigger, stronger friend to help with projects like this. The lift kit or tear down alone for someone my size can sometimes take all the way from second breakfast to first dinner. Alexa, what do you think so far?
I think you're the only golf cart mechanic with a sunburnt tongue.
Tough room. So now that we've got it torn down to the studs, next time we'll be rebuilding this lucky cart by getting the light wiring installed and putting together the lights and body components for a stunning blue on black theme. Or maybe, if you don't come back, we'll just leave it like this. I mean, you'd never know. So don't miss out on the rest. Make sure to visit the Extreme Golf Cart Makeover page at the address on your screen to follow the whole transformation and enter to win awesome prizes in the sweepstakes. Just stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call if there's anything we can do to help with your project. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel right here for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCGTV. Thanks for sticking around. It's time to announce our sweepstakes winners. Don't forget to visit the address on your screen to enter to win one of 3 monthly prizes or the $3,000 grand prize in the Extreme Golf Cart Makeover Sweepstakes. This month, 3 more lucky people are going home with Golf Cart Garage store credit. Third prize goes to Edward W. from Ohio, who won $50 for his E-Z-Go. Second prize goes to Kimberly S. from North Carolina, who won $100 for her club car. And a big congrats to this month's first prize winner, Kevin S. from New York, won $200 to make his E-Z-Go shine. Make sure you bookmark that page to follow along to the whole series and enter to win big for your cart too. Congrats to our winners from all your friends at Golf Cart Garage.